I will select the data without heading and then go to Insert tab on the top. And then from the chart section, there is a line chart. If I click this one, there are different charts option. For example, I go for the first one, click this one, and your chart has been created within your worksheet. I can move the chart anywhere within the worksheet. I can resize the chart from the corners to compatible according to the data. And then if I want to change the title of the chart, double click on this one and then backspace, and I can put anything here, sale, and click outside the chart. And second thing I would like to see the numbers as well along with these different points. So I will select this line and then on the right hand side there is a plus button. Click on this one and you can see the data labels option. If I click this one, the all the figures, all the numbers have been inserted inside the chart area. Second